and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn prepositional phrases. Last time हमने phrasal verbs पढ़ा था. जैसे कि phrasal verbs में किसी न किसी verb का होना ज़रूरी है, उसी तरह prepositional phrases में किसी न किसी preposition का होना ज़रूरी है. So friends, in today's video we are going to learn 13 most important prepositional phrases with examples. Anything at all. It means कुछ भी. Let's understand it through example. He does not do anything at all for me. Next example is he loved doing anything at all to pass in an interview. Next prepositional phrase is not at all. It means बिल्कुल नहीं. Now let's see the sentences. I can't read at all. The next sentence is not at all. She can never go with you. The next prepositional phrase is on behalf of. It means की तरफ से. Let's understand it through sentence. Please say thank you to her on behalf of me. The next sentence is I wrote a thank you letter to Mr. Sham on behalf of you. The next prepositional phrase is in order to. It means के बदले में या फिर के लिए. Let's understand it through example. She sacrificed all her dreams in order to provide you better life. The next example is in order to find peace, she went to every corner of the world, but found it only by going to the temple. Let's see the next prepositional phrase. In the place of. It means के बदले में. Let's understand it through sentence. I use a tinted moisturizer in place of foundation. And the next example is I attended the meeting in place of him. Let's understand the next prepositional phrase. In the hope of. It means उम्मीद में. Let's understand the example. The shoppers entered the sale in the hope of finding a good deal. The next example is he worked extra hours in the hope of saving enough money. The next prepositional phrase is in favor of. It means के पक्ष में. Now let's understand the example. The committee voted in favor of the new policy. Now let's understand another example. She is in the favor of more public art in the city. The next prepositional phrase is for the sake of. It means के खातिर. Now let's understand it through sentence. She is leaving her hometown for the sake of her career. Let's understand the another example. I am doing extra work for the sake of better future. The next prepositional phrase is at anyhow. It means किसी भी तरह से. Now let's see the example. I have to attend the meeting at anyhow. The next example is she completed the chapter at anyhow. The next prepositional phrase is due to. It means की वजह से. Now let's understand it through sentence. The game has been cancelled due to heavy rain. Let's understand the next example. The office has been closed due to holiday. The next prepositional phrase is at the top of one's voice. इसका हिंदी मीनिंग है जोर से आवाज लगाना या चिल्लाना. Now let's see the example. She shouted his name at the top of her voice. The next example is he was yelling at the top of his voice. The next prepositional phrase is at the risk of. It means खतरा मोल लेकर. Now let's understand the sentence. At the risk of sounding stupid, how do I send this email? The next example is At the risk of sounding rude, I have to ask you, how old are you? The next prepositional phrase is according to. It means के अनुसार. Now let's understand this sentence. According to the weather forecast, it will rain tomorrow. And the next example is, according to the manager, we need to work late. So friends, these were 13 prepositional phrases and we have understood all these phrases with examples. So friends, I hope आपको ये सारे prepositional phrases अच्छे से समझ में आ गए होंगे. Also, एग्जाम्पल्स के थ्रू आज हमने इसे सीखा है, तो इन्हीं सेंटेंस को आप अपने डेली कॉन्वर्जेशन में यूज करने की प्रैक्टिस कीजिएगा. सो फ्रेंड्स, if you all found this video useful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much for watching the video.